Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends Jungle. The jungle role is crucial for controlling the map and influencing all 3 lanes. You'll be navigating the neutral territory between lanes, farming monsters, and looking for opportunities to gank enemy champions. Your early decisions significantly impact the game's flow, so understanding your champion's strengths and weaknesses is paramount for success. Your early game pathing is vital for a strong start. Typically, you'll clear 3 to 5 camps before considering a gank or recall. Aim to finish your first full clear around the 3-minute and 15-second mark. Prioritize ganking lanes with crowd control or vulnerable enemies. Securing both scuttle crabs provides valuable vision and gold, giving your team an early advantage. As the game progresses into the mid-game, your focus shifts to major objectives. Dragons provide permanent buffs, while Baron Nashor grants a powerful team-wide buff for pushing. Coordinate with your team to secure these. Placing deep vision wards in the enemy jungle provides crucial information, allowing you to track their jungler and potentially steal camps or set up ambushes. In the late game, team fights become paramount. Position yourself to protect your damage dealers or initiate fights effectively, depending on your champion. After winning a crucial team fight or securing Baron, push for inhibitors to open up the enemy base. The ultimate goal is to destroy the enemy nexus. Maintain strong vision control and make decisive calls to secure victory.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.